How to replace the shift control solenoid on a 2005 GMC Envoy. Now the problem that the customer was having is that when
the problem I was having was my gear shift was getting stuck. It wouldn't move.
Ready? All right, guys. I'm gonna show you guys how to replace the shift control solenoid on a 2005 GMC Envoy. First off, we'll let you guys know this is what you're gonna need. You're gonna need a 10mm nut setter, 7mm nut setter, and a T15 star bit. All right. First of all, this center console, a previous mechanic broke it, so I really can't show you the steps of how to take that off because it was previously broken already. But you're gonna need that T15 to take off the shifter off of it. Here, there's a star bit screw under here that you got to take off first before you take that off. And once you unscrew it, you just slide it up and take it off. All right. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take your 10mm. There's gonna be 4 nuts down in here. 2 right here, 2 up front. I'm gonna take those off. You really don't have to take off the cable. You really don't have to take that off. All you gotta do is clean this out. Make sure you know where your nuts are. Get those nuts so they don't get lost. Right, you're gonna undo this connector right here. Now this is the shift solenoid right here, the shift control solenoid. You're gonna unhook that. What you do is you stick a screwdriver in here and you push this way. You unhook that connector. Then it's gonna be up in here. There's gonna be 2 star bit screws. T15 screws holding the shift control solenoid in there. And just release those screws. And yes, sure. They're really not easy to get to, so you'll have to. But there it is, and you just put it back in the opposite way you took it out. But this is the shift control solenoid, which controls the shifting. If your shifter ever gets stuck, it's not the cable that's under the vehicle causing the problem most of the time. Most of the time, it's this is the problem. And this is like an $80 part at AutoZone. All right, that's it.